Hello everyone, and welcome back to Knowable, your go-to channel for tutorials and informative content. Today, we have an important topic to discuss that many of us can relate to: contacting Amazon's customer service. Whether you have an issue with a delivery, a question about your account, or need assistance with a complaint, we've got you covered. So, let's dive right in.
First things first, let's explore the various methods you can use to contact Amazon's customer service. To begin, head over to Amazon's website and navigate to their customer service page. Here, you'll find a range of options to suit your needs, from delivery inquiries to account assistance and more. If your query falls under a specific category, you can explore the related options provided. But, if you can't find exactly what you're looking for, don't worry. Simply click on the "Something Else" option to access additional choices. One option you'll find here is the live chat. By selecting "I need more help," you'll be directed to Amazon's live chat feature, where you can communicate with an automated messenger bot. If you prefer speaking to a human representative, don't worry, there's an option for that too. You can contact Amazon's customer service by phone. Just dial 1-888-280-4331, and they are available 24/7 to assist you. Now, although Amazon provides an email address for customer service, they generally prefer resolving issues through live chat or phone calls. But if you have a specific situation that requires emailing, you can reach out to them at cs-reply@amazon.com. For those who are active on social media, you'll be glad to know that Amazon operates a dedicated customer service Twitter account. You can follow them at Amazon Help, where they respond to inquiries in 12 different languages. But what if you really want to speak to a human representative? Well, there's a trick for that. In the live chat system, simply type, "Talk to a representative." The messaging assistant will provide you with three options: chatting with an associate, requesting a phone call back, or returning to the customer service hub to view frequently solved problems. Now, let's talk about filing a complaint with Amazon. While most complaints can be resolved through the customer service options we've discussed, some situations may require additional steps. If you have a complaint related to Amazon Pay, their online payments processing service, you can contact them directly. You can either call them at 866-216-1075 or send a written complaint to Amazon Payments, Inc., P.O. Box 81226, Seattle, Washington, 98108. Lastly, if you're facing an issue with a missing order, Amazon has a dedicated section on their website called "Where's My Stuff?" Here, you'll find helpful information to assist you in locating your package. If your package shows as delivered but you haven't received it, double-check that you sent it to the correct address. Sometimes, the package might be placed nearby or accepted by someone else in your household. Amazon advises waiting 48 hours before contacting them about a lost package. To do so, simply head back to the main customer service page and click on a delivery, order, or return. In case you've received the package but there's an item missing, Amazon suggests checking the status of your order by visiting Your Orders. If you're still unable to locate the missing item, you can use their online customer service tool for further assistance. And there you have it. Now you know all the different ways to contact Amazon's customer service and get the help you need. Remember to be patient and provide clear details when reaching out. Thanks for watching this tutorial from Knowable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Stay knowledgeable, and see you next time.